the class. Good morning, Vinayaka. Meghna, good morning. बच्चा लोग जल्दी से बता दो. If you want me to unmute, I can unmute also. If you don't want to write something, sir, it's very lethargic to write in the chat, sir. I can unmute you. I want to know how do you actually spend your time. Good morning, Pranav. After the class. Very boring. Bore होते हो? अच्छा. Good morning, Kushal. अरे $1 million क्वेश्चन है झांसी. गुड मॉर्निंग. आप लोग टाइम कैसे स्पेंड करते हो? अच्छा, व्हाट आर दी हॉबीज दैट यू हैव? यू कैन शेयर योर हॉबीज. क्या क्या हॉबीज आपके पास हैं? क्या क्या करते हो? अच्छा, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू प्ले क्रिकेट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू प्ले क्रिकेट? अरे क्रिकेट में इतना कम. ओके, आई कैन सी फ्यू रेज्ड हैंड. Kirtan is saying, sir, I ponder whether I look good with shave or with mustache. अच्छा, ये नया कुछ हॉबी है तुम्हारा? सर फिलहाल हैंगिंग बॉल प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. ओके, ऑलराइट. एनीथिंग एल्स? एनीवन हु प्लेज बैडमिंटन? ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग, वेरी गुड सुजल. anyone who plays badminton? Few of you. अच्छा, how many of you spend time on Instagram? It's also a kind of hobby right now these days, right? Vineet is saying, sir, what is your hobby? Me, sir, non-existent. Okay, Michelle is saying throw ball and basketball. Try to do that. Do half century in cricket. Okay, Tanmay, no problem, don't worry. Vinayaka, I'm not on Instagram. मैं बिल्कुल भी Instagram पे नहीं हूँ. Neither I am on Instagram nor on Twitter. ना ही Snapchat पे हूँ. I am only on Facebook, and that only just to communicate with some of my friends, because during my college days I only have their Facebook ID. I only have them as my Facebook friend, and I don't have any other contact details or contact info of them. That is why. और इतना टाइम थोड़ी होता है हमारे पास. इंस्टाग्राम पे भी रहो, ट्विटर पे भी रहो, फालतू का टाइम पास थोड़ी करना है. ओके, ठीक है. सो आई थिंक, अच्छा, कितने लोग को म्यूजिक का शौक है? कितने लोग गिटार, सितार और हारमोनियम और तबला? चलो, तो तन्मय सिंह, आई एम लर्निंग तबला सिंस 9 years. ओके, वेरी गुड. मिशेल इज सेइंग मी. प्रणव प्लेज गिटार. विनायका प्लेज पियानो. तुम लोग टैलेंटेड हो यार. I sometimes feel like I sometimes have inferiority complex with my students. Okay, violin, Michelle, very good. Sakshi ने पूरा अपना टाइम टेबल दिया है. Very good. Sakshi has written 1 to 2 lunch, 2 to 3 mobile, 3 to 4 nap, 4 to 8 study, 8 to 9 games like badminton, 9 to 10 dinner, 10 to 12 mobile, Instagram, Snapchat, Among Us. अच्छा, Among Us is also one of the YouTube, Twitter. Okay, Animish plays keyboard. Vishwa, I'm a guitarist. Tanmay saying, sir, we kids are like jack of all, master of none. It's okay, Ray, no problem. Chalo bacha, so I hope you guys are like enjoying your day at your home. If you're not, start enjoying it. Okay? Because these days will never come back. Once this corona will go, once college will be reopened, you might not get any holiday. So थोड़ा सा इसको मस्ती में करो. हाँ, पढ़ाई के साथ साथ. Take some time for your studies and then leave the rest of the time for your hobbies. Viniti Singh sir, I just lie around if I have nothing to do. No, Michelle, I'm very dumb in those things. मैं बहुत ही dumb आदमी हूँ. ठीक है. Vinayaka, I think so. Yes, Vinayaka. चलो बच्चा, तो अब हम लोग सिर्फ वर्क एनर्जी पावर पे फोकस करते हैं. ठीक है. Let us focus on work energy power. देखो, तो मैंने like I have asked you so many different things apart from academics, and most of you have actually responded. When I'll talk to you about academic part, physics part, सबकी बत्ती गुल है ना. Yesterday class is not yet uploaded. I think it has been uploaded, Tarak Datta. I think today morning I have seen it. Guys, have you seen yesterday class? Anyway, Tarak Datta, why do you want to watch yesterday class? Have you missed the class? Have you missed the class? I think it has been uploaded. Notes or video? चलो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो गाइस, वीडियो आई थिंक इट इज अपलोडेड. एक बार फिर से चेक करना, ठीक है. गाइस गिव मी एन आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. चलो डोंट वरी विनायका, फोकस करो, ठीक है, हो जाएगा. स्टडी में भी बहुत अच्छे हो जाओगे, डोंट वरी. So guys, try to give an answer for this question. When a conservative force does positive work on a body, the potential energy increases, the potential energy decreases, the total energy increases, or the total energy decreases. Which one of them is the correct answer? चलो बच्चों, जल्दी आंसर करो. Srinivas has answered, Kirtan has answered. I am not going to launch a poll, ठीक है, वो रैंडम करते हो आप लोग को लिखना पड़ेगा, so that I can see your name also, which one of them is responding. Tanmay has answered, Vinayaka has answered. बहुत ही easy है बच्चे. जैसे write the formula, write the mathematical equation for change in potential energy, you will get the answer. It's very very simple. झांसी ने आंसर किया, मेघना has answered. विनीत. देखो बच्चा, बहुत ही आसान है, बहुत ही आसान, वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. कैसे सर? तो व्हाट इज द चेंज इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बच्चा? टेल मी व्हाट इज चेंज इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी? इट इज नथिंग बट माइनस ऑफ वर्क डन बाय internal conservative force or conservative force, right? So if work done is positive, if work done is positive, that means delta U is nothing but negative. If delta U is negative, what does that mean? That means U decreases. If change in potential energy is negative, that means potential energy must be decreasing. Then only change will be negative, because final minus initial is the change. ठीक है ना? प्रदीप गलत हो गया, परीक्षित करेक्ट है. So what is the correct answer बच्चा लोग? तो correct answer is option B. अरे बच्चा लोग टफ था क्या? Guys click yes if you have understood this. चंगू मंगू जल्दी से क्लिक यस इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से. नाउ गाइस ट्राई टू गेट एन आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. लेट मी जूम इन फॉर बेटर विजिबिलिटी. या आई कांट जूम फर्दर. सो वन एंड ऑफ अ लाइट रोप is tied directly to the ceiling. One end of a light rope is tied directly to the ceiling. A man of mass m, initially at rest on the ground, starts climbing the rope hand over hand up to a height h. ठीक है, मतलब एक के ऊपर एक हाथ को ऐसे रख के क्लाइंब करने लगा. From the time he starts at rest on the ground to the time he's hanging at rest at height L, how much work was done on the man by the rope? So शुरू कहां से किया बच्चा लोग? तो आदमी पहले यहां था. Now it has climbed to this position, so that the height of the man is L from the ground. So how much work was done on the man by the rope? Guys, you must be thoda sa amazed or surprised. Sir, why do you solve some work energy question every day, even if you're not teaching that theorem? Guys, have you asked this question to yourself? Why this teacher solve these questions every day? I have taught you potential energy, change in potential energy. Again, I'm teaching you some question which is related to this work energy theorem or conservation of energy, right? Why am I doing that? Reason पता है क्या? Reason ये है because I know you're not going to solve a lot of numerical from this chapter, and this chapter requires a lot of numerical solving, and you have to do it, and you have to be very very like known to the facts. Yes, हमें ऐसे question में ऐसा solve करना है. We have to follow this kind of thing, or we have to approach this question for like for any kind of situation. ये हमें करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? So work energy theorem is extremely important. Conservation of energy extremely important. That is why every day if you can Observe every day in almost all the classes I have solved minimum 2 to 3 questions from that topic. So Harshvardhan has answered, Meghna has answered, Kirtan has answered, Srinivas has answered. बहुत बढ़िया बच्चा लोग, जल्दी से आंसर करो। तो एक लाइन में आंसर आएगा. You can answer this within one line. No Vineet, no Illa. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी आंसर करो.
सर ऑप्शन बी.
देखो बच्चा लोग, I will write work done by all the forces will be equal to change in kinetic energy. So work done by rho plus work done by mg will be equal to 0. Initially kinetic energy was 0, finally kinetic energy is 0. What is work done by mg? Mg into L into cos of 180. So what is the answer? Yes हर्षवर्धन, करूंगा, बीच में करूंगा, ठीक है ना? I think I have muted all of you, right? Guys, can you unmute yourself? Yes, okay, ठीक है, wait करो, मैं अभी म्यूट करता हूं सबको. किधर गए भाई तुम लोग? I think I have muted you already, but still you can unmute yourself. Guys, now is it okay? Yes, Vinay, ठीक है. Thank you Harshvardhan, thank you बच्चा. Alright guys, let us move on to next question. This one. A pendulum bob of mass m is suspended at rest. A constant horizontal force F is equal to mg by 2 starts acting on it. The maximum angular deflection of the string is. What is the maximum angular deflection of the string that is possible? Let me talk to some of you. कुछ लोगों से बात करता हूँ आज फिर से. Let me take the no विनायक. 0 कैसे होगा बच्चा? There will be angular deflection, right? आज R से बारी है. रितेश कुमार NS. रितेश बच्चा, can you hear me? I have unmuted you. बच्चा रितेश, can you hear me? Ritesh, please unmute yourself. Ritesh Kumar NS, please unmute yourself. I am unmuting you, but you are not responding. Sir, there is network issue. Voice is breaking. अच्छा बहाना है, ठीक है, no problem. Let me, at least you are responding. That is like okay. Let me talk to Shreya. Shreya, can you hear me? Shreya, can you hear me? देखो 66 हुआ, अभी और घटेंगे. Shreya, can you hear me? बच्चा, I don't have any other option but to remove you if you don't respond. Either you have to unmute you or you have to write something on the chat. Shreya?
Sir, I think the answer
Very
is
good,
B.
Shreya. So she already left the meeting. तो चलो एक और बच्चे से बात करते हैं. तो let me consider, yeah, Vishaka. Vishaka, can you hear me? I have unmuted you. You can unmute yourself. Vishaka Avati. Bacha, can you hear me? Please respond. Vishaka, please respond, bacha. I know that, Vinayaka. Okay, Shreya, good bacha. Chalo. Vishaka, I couldn't get your message. You're not unmuting yourself. You're not messaging also. So I don't have any other option, bacha. So I'm removing you from the meeting. So please respond to the class, or otherwise I don't have any other option but to remove you. So Vishaka, I am removing you from the meeting. Vishaka Avati. चलिए, so अब पढ़ाई करते हैं, ठीक है? Now, what is the answer for this? So few of you have answered 37 degree. Few of you have answered, yeah, most of you have answered 37 degree only. 53 also, okay? Few of you have answered 60 degree as well. 0. Sachiti, Rahul, Tanmay, Akshay, Sujal, Gaurav, Sakshi, Tanmay. Yes, Tanmay, very good. You've got the correct answer. Tanmay has got the correct answer. There'll be 2 answers, not one of them, not only one. Okay, so a pendulum bob of mass m is suspended at rest. A horizontal force F is equal to mg by 2 starts acting on it. The maximum angular deflection of the string is, yes, Harshvardhan, correct. 0 degree is also one of the answer. Solve कैसे करेंगे इसको? बोलो बच्चा, which theorem we need to use here? Which theorem we need to use here? क्या करेंगे? External force is there, work done will be there. We can't use principle of conservation of mechanical energy. So we have to use work energy theorem. Work done by all the forces. Work done by all the forces must be equal to change in kinetic energy. Work done by mg plus work done by tension plus work done by F. These are the 3 forces acting on the ball, ठीक है, or the bob. This must be equal to change in kinetic energy. Initially the particle was at rest, so kinetic energy 0. Finally, when maximum deflection will occur, let us say the bob will come to this position. Okay, let us say the bob will come to this position. All right, so if this angle is theta, so at maximum deflection what will happen बच्चा? Here also velocity will be 0. यहाँ भी क्या मिलेगा? Velocity मिल जाएगा मुझे 0. No problem, sir. So finally, what will be the velocity, बच्चा? 0. So what is change in kinetic energy? 0 minus 0 will be laddu only. So laddu. Now find out what is the work done by mg. बोलो बच्चा, what will be the work done by mg? So mg will act in downward direction. Tell me, what is the displacement in vertical direction, बच्चा? Downward में क्या है? तो basically mg is acting in downward direction, displacement is acting in this direction, right? So what is displacement in vertical direction, bachcha? So this length. How will you find this length? If this is theta, this is the same string we are talking about. इसको थोड़ा change करो. इसको यहां से ऐसा connect करने का, ठीक है? And this is angle theta. All right. So if this is L also, this is theta, can I say that this length will be L cos theta? So this length will be L minus L cos theta. So tell me guys, what is the work done by mg force? I have given you all the relevant information that you require to answer this. Tell me what is the work done by mg force here. देखो बच्चा, can I write like this? mg into L minus L cos theta into cos 180, that is minus. Guys, please click yes if you agree with this work done by mg. Minus mg into L minus L cos theta. Guys, please click yes if you agree with this work done. क्लियर है सबको? कैसे निकाला बच्चा लोग? तो mg into displacement along, mg into displacement along the force, sorry, the force into displacement along the force. Force is mg, displacement is this one. The component of displacement along force will be minus of this value. So mg into minus of this value is nothing but the work done. The force into component of displacement along the force is nothing but the work done. So this is work done by mg. What about the work done by tension? बच्चा लोग जल्दी से बता दो. Tell me guys, what will be the work done by tension? Tell me guys, what will be the work done by tension? फटाफट बता दे बच्चा लोग जल्दी से. It will be zero, right? It will be zero. Work done by tension will be zero ना, because displacement कैसे होगा बच्चा? At any point, यहाँ देखो displacement का direction ये होगा, tension will be like this. At this point, displacement direction will be here and tension will be here. So at each and every point, angle between tension and displacement will be 90 degree. So work done by tension will be laddu. What about the work done by F? Bolo Changu Mangu. What about the work done by F? The force is acting in rightward direction. What is the component of displacement along rightward direction? So this is the displacement. Component of displacement along rightward direction is nothing but this length. So I will write force is mg by 2. Force कितना है बच्चा? mg by 2 into displacement along force. This is the displacement along force. Displacement is this length. This length is nothing but this length. And if this is theta, this is L. This is nothing but L sin theta. So I will write directly work done by F will be mg by 2 into L sin theta. And this must be equal to 0. M and M will get cancelled. Sorry, M and M will be brought to right hand side. 0 by M will be 0. 0 by G will be 0. So now I will be getting minus L, or I can write like this. L into 1 minus cos theta will be equal to L by 2 sin theta. How will I get the value of theta बच्चा लोग? Let us try to find out. बोलो L का वैल्यू कैसे मिलेगा, थीटा का वैल्यू कैसे मिलेगा? यहां से L कैंसिल. So I will be getting 1 minus cos theta will be equal to sin theta by 2. So to get the value of theta, बोलो बच्चा, what should I do after this? ये तो हो गया वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम, फिजिक्स का यूज. नाउ टेल मी गाइस, what should I do here after this? Why we should square it बच्चा? कीर्तन is saying sir square मारी. क्यों square करना चाहिए? Why we should square it? Why do we need to square it? Why can't we do something else without squaring it? Okay, very good, Kirtan. Which identity you want to use, Vineet? Which identity you want to use, Vineet? 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, you can do that, no problem. चलो एक और तरीका जो बता रहा है Kirtan, you can do that. If you don't remember the identity, you can simply write like this, that if I square it on both the side, I'll get 4 minus 4 cos square theta, actually plus 4 cos square theta minus 2 into 2 4 cos theta will be equal to, आप स्क्वायर करोगे तो ये पार्ट मिल जाएगा, will be equal to sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So finally you will get 4 plus 5 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta will be 1. Correct है? So 5 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, कीर्तन is suggesting sir ये या फिर options में substitute करके check कर सकते हैं. Yes, in objective question you can substitute the value of 90, 53, 37, 60 degree in this equation. You can substitute the value of theta in this one, and then you can see whether they are being satisfied or not. You can also get that answer. But if you want to solve it formally, then you have to what? Come to this equation. Guys, click yes if you have understood till this point. अच्छा बच्चा, me now what should I do? क्या करना चाहिए? कुछ गड़बड़ किया है क्या मैंने? 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta, 2 cancel, multiply होगा 4 मिलेगा, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. 1 will come here 5 हो जाएगा, 1 will come here 3 हो जाएगा. Guys, is it correct? Now इसको solve करो. कैसे solve करना चाहिए बच्चा लोग? How we are going to get the value of cos theta? Yeah, you can do that Targata, but still factorization method will work or not? Tell me whether factorization method will work or not. बोलो चंगो मंगो लोग जल्दी से. -8 cos theta, मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ किया क्या? Yes, it will be -8 cos theta. Correct है. It will be -8 cos theta. It will not be 4. Because 2 square will be 4, right? 4 into 2 will be 8. ठीक है? So now I think factorization method will work. अब भी कर लेते हैं. तो 5 cos square theta minus 5 cos theta minus 3 cos theta plus 3 will be 0. I can take 5 cos theta as common. I can write here cos theta minus 1. Minus 3 can be taken as out. I can then write cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, I'll get cos theta will be equal to 3 by 5 or cos theta will be equal to 1. So here theta will give us the value as 53 degree and theta will give us the value as 0 degree. Neil Chandan is asking sir Changu Mangu का मतलब क्या है? Who will tell what is the meaning of Changu Mangu? Neil Chandan is asking a very valid doubt, bhai. Sir, what is the meaning of Changu Mangu? Sujal is saying, अरे kids का, it's a casual name for kids. ठीक है? Normally थोड़ा सा funny होता है ना Changu Mangu, Chintu Pintu. है ना? दो दोस्त हैं, they are two buddies, and the name of those two buddies are Changu Mangu. They come in bingo brick. Okay. तो Chintu Pintu, ठीक है? आगे बढ़ते हैं. So guys, what is the answer for this? अच्छा तो why do you guys tell the answer as 37? मेरा तो 53 आ रहा है. ये कैसे हो गया? Most of you were answering 37. मेरा तो 53 आया. Cos 35, sorry, cos theta is 3 by 5, so theta will be 53, right? आपका 30 wrong value of 3 by 5 Harshvardhan ने लिया. So guys, did you understand this? बच्चा लोग click yes if you have understood this. Yes sir, ठीक है सर. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. आंसर करिए सर. So guys, try to get an answer for this question. The upper half of an inclined plane with inclination theta is perfectly smooth while the lower half is rough. Upper half क्या है? Smooth है. Lower half is rough. A body starting from rest at the top of or at the top will again come to rest at the bottom if the coefficient of friction for the lower half is given by. What should be the coefficient of friction for the lower half if a block released from top will again come back to the rest condition at the bottom? बोलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से आंसर करो. Let us see how many of you can give me the correct answer. Anyone? Is it tough बच्चा लोग? Okay, Vinayaka has answered. तन्मय बोल रहा है bit tough. देखते हैं बच्चा. Vineet has answered. Akshay has also answered the same one. So Vinayaka, Vineet, Harshvardhan, Akshay. All of them are giving the same answer. Very good. I think that is correct also. बहुत ही easy है. Tell me guys, which concept are you going to use? Which concept will help you to get the answer for this? Yash, I doubt. Sujal, no bacha. I don't think that is the correct answer. Srinivas, pata nahi bacha. I think you are correct, Tanmay. Vishwa, you are also correct. I think so. चलो बच्चा आंसर सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, एक बार सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. डोंट यूज काइनेमैटिक्स. ठीक है, डोंट यूज काइनेमैटिक्स. यूज करना है वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. ठीक है, तो क्या यूज करेंगे? वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. वर्क डन बाय mg by normal by friction will be equal to 0. Correct है ना? Because initially the kinetic energy is 0, finally also kinetic energy is 0, hence change in kinetic energy will be, let's do. Work done by normal is also 0. बोलो बच्चा, what will be the work done by mg whether path is a smooth one or a rough one? What will be the work done by mg? बोलो बच्चा लो. If this is L given to you, this is theta given to you. Tell me मेरे प्यारे चंगू मंगू, जल्दी से बता दो. What will be the value of work done by mg? Can I say that block was initially here, now block is coming down. ठीक है, if this is directly L is given to you, if this is L directly given to you, तो क्या बोलेंगे बच्चा? तो mg into L sin theta, because mg will act in downward direction, displacement is nothing but L in this direction, component of displacement along downward direction is nothing but this length. If this is theta, this will be L sin theta. So force into component of displacement along force is nothing but work done. So mg L sin theta will be work done by mg. बोल बच्चा, what will be work done by friction if half of the surface is smooth and half of the surface is rough? तो can I say friction will act only through half? तो क्या बोलेंगे बच्चा लोग? Minus mu mg cos theta. This is what? This is the force that will act into component of displacement. This is the displacement in rough area. Component of this displacement along vertical direction will be what? L by 2 sin theta. Correct है ना? Correct है बच्चा लोग? Correct नहीं है. This is the displacement. Force will act in this direction. So component of displacement along force will be minus L by 2. ये है हमारा क्या बच्चा लोग? मैं इधर लिखता हूं, देखो. This is L by 2. Friction will act in backward direction. So component of this displacement along force will be nothing but minus L by 2. Minus पहले ही मैंने लगा दिया है. So I'll just multiply L by 2 and this must be equal to 0. When you bring mass, when you bring G, When you bring L to the right hand side, it will become 0 by mgl, that will give us 0. So answer will be sine theta minus mu cos theta by 2 will be 0. So mu cos theta will be equal to 2 sine theta will give us mu is equal to 2 tan theta. So for the block to again come to rest condition at the bottom, the coefficient of friction in the lower half of the path must be 2 tan theta. बच्चा लोग जल्दी से क्लिक यस करो इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. हर्षवर्धन, क्या लिखा तुमने बच्चा? माइनस एम जी कॉस थीटा एल बाई टू. नो बच्चा, न्यू छूट गया था तुम्हारे से हर्षवर्धन. गाइज प्लीज क्लिक यस इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. Yes, Srinivas, that is correct. From that also you can say, sir, displacement force is acting in this direction, displacement is acting in this direction, angle between them is 180, so I write F into S into cos of 180, no problem. ठीक है. अच्छा, Srinivas is saying, sir, angle between friction and displacement is 180, then why cos theta? बच्चा, what will be the value of F? इसलिए बोलता हूँ write it down on your notebook. Try to write the answer, then only you'll get to know. Just don't look at the screen. Otherwise, you'll have so many doubts that you'll stop studying physics at all. ठीक है? तो लिखना शुरू करो. What will be the value of F बच्चा? Since block is moving, since block has relative motion, F will be nothing but mu into N. And what will be the value of N बच्चा लोग? तो N is nothing but mg cos theta. तो आया ना cos theta? Got the point, Srinivas? वेल डन बच्चा, ठीक है. एनीवे आई अप्रिशिएट योर डाउट. चलिए अगला सवाल, इसका आंसर करो बच्चा लोग. ट्राई टू गेट मी एन आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ अ पार्टिकल continuously increase with time, then out of these four options which one of them is, or which are the correct statements that have been given in these four options? चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी आंसर करो. So Vineet has answered, Vishwa has answered. Anyone else? All right, Harshvardhan has answered. Meghna has answered. Tanmay has answered. Vineet is saying A and C according to him. Okay, देखते हैं बच्चा. Ketan is saying, sir, D is wrong. Okay. Jhansi option A, Samant option C, Sujal A, Gaurav A. Vineet is saying B and D will be galat, wrong. Okay, very good. Srinivas is saying option A is correct. Vinayaka is saying option A and B is correct. Akshay, B and D are correct according to him. Srinivas is saying C can be correct. Shreya is saying C. Pranav is saying option A and C are correct. Actually तुम लोग बिल्कुल ही सही हो. देखो बच्चा लोग, if I give you that kinetic energy of a particle increases continuously, बच्चा tell me what is relation between kinetic energy and linear momentum. So we know that kinetic energy is nothing but half into mv square, right? तो मैं क्या करता हूं, इधर लिखता हूं मैं इधर half into mv का whole square divided by m. Can I write like this? And mv is nothing but linear momentum, so I can write this as p square by 2m. So kinetic energy can also be written as p square by 2m. From here, if kinetic energy increases, can I say for sure linear momentum will also increase? बच्चा लोग चमका क्या? अरे चंगू मंगू जल्दी बताओ, चमका समझ में आया? तो ऑप्शन ए क्या हो गया बच्चा? करेक्ट. ठीक. अच्छा, what about option B? Option B suggests that its height above the ground must continuously decrease. Is it a case बच्चा? Is it compulsion? Is this a compulsion that height above the ground must continuously decrease? Answer is no, this is not a compulsion. Now you'll say, how sir? Why sir? Why this is not compulsion? Few of you can commit a mistake and you can write, sir, when particle kinetic energy is increasing with the time, I can take an example of a particle falling down. But bacha, when particle is falling down, kinetic energy is increasing with respect to time. That is correct. There is another case also when a block is resting on a table and now a force is acting in this direction. When this acts, the kinetic energy of the particle will also increase. In that case, the height above the ground might not increase at all. There might be a case, might not decrease at all. There might be a case when a particle is here, a block is here, and I am applying a force in upward direction, which is greater than mg. So the work done by this will be greater, like will be positive. So kinetic energy of this block will be positive. Change in kinetic energy will be positive. So kinetic energy of this block will increase. And if that increases, the height above the ground will also increase. So can I say option B, which suggests that the height above the ground must also decrease, is not a compulsion? So I can say option B will not be the correct answer. When it is saying, sir, example of rocket, that is true, no problem. बच्चा लोग समझ में आया क्या? Now let us talk about option C. Option C is directly based on work energy theorem. We know that work done by all the forces is nothing but change in kinetic energy. बच्चा लोग, if kinetic energy increases, बोलो बच्चा, if kinetic energy increases, tell me what will be delta K? Delta K will be positive only. Because if kinetic energy increases, change in kinetic energy will be positive. And we know that change in kinetic energy is nothing but work done by all the forces. So work done by all the forces must be positive. So option C is also a correct statement. But chalo, please click yes if you have understood till these three options. सबको समझ में आया क्या? Guys, please click yes if you have understood this. Akshay, the diagram which you have given, in that you have got cos theta is 3 by 5. If cos theta is 3 by 5, that means theta is 53, not 37. So I get your answer, but that is wrong. Value of theta you have taken, Akshay. ठीक है, चलिए. So I think you have understood till these three options. Now let us move on to fourth option. The resultant force on the particle must be parallel to the velocity at all times. Is it correct, bacha? Tell me about option D. Is it always a compulsion here? Bacha, we know this, that the work done by all the forces must be positive. That only suggests that resultant force on the particle must be having an angle acute with the displacement. That's it. Direction of displacement is nothing but direction of velocity. Direction of displacement is nothing but direction of velocity, right? So the resultant force must be acting in such a direction, in such a way that the angle made by the resultant force and velocity must be acute. It is not a compulsion that resultant force must be acting parallel to velocity at all the times. So it's not a compulsion. So what are the correct most appropriate answer according to this condition बच्चा? तो option A and option C will be the most appropriate answer for this question. All right बच्चा लोग, समझ में आई बात सबको? चिंटू कहाँ चला गया सर? 3 दिनों से क्लास बंक कर रहा है, पिंटू से मिलने गया है। चलो बच्चा लोग, so now let us move on to next question. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let us see whether we have some more questions or not. Now we don't have any other question related to work energy theorem. Now we'll study. अभी हम पढ़ेंगे बच्चा लोग अगला सवाल, मतलब अगला टॉपिक, अगला थ्योरी, that is called as power. क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं बच्चा लोग? Now we'll study about power. बोलो बच्चा, what is power? Whatever the things that you know about power. फर्स्ट टाइम पावर के बारे में कब पढ़ा था, कब सुना था, ये बताओ. क्लास 9 में. ओके, 9th में. अच्छा, इन रियल लाइफ व्हेन डू यू कम अक्रॉस दिस टर्म पावर? इन रियल लाइफ व्हेन डू यू कम अक्रॉस द टर्म पावर? यस, रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क, करेक्ट है. बल्ब मोटर ईटीसी में सर. ओके, WWE में. ओके, ठीक है. थर्ड और फोर्थ में सर फेल्ट लाइक स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, करंट में पावर पढ़ा है. रियल लाइफ, ओके ठीक है. जिम में, ओके बच्चा, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है पावर ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल, BHP, ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा है? You must have seen some 100 watt written over the bulb, or some 8 watt, 26, 24 watt, 36 watt, ऐसा कुछ लिखा देखा है क्या? They are the power. तो what is power बच्चा? बताऊंगा आपको. P is equal to V into I is the power, electrical power. ठीक है. पावर क्या बच्चा? रेट ऑफ वर्क डन. ठीक है, पावर क्या है? रेट ऑफ वर्क डन. रेट एट विच वर्क इज बीइंग डन. रेट एट विच वर्क इज बीइंग डन. तो कितना रेट है उसका? Like a particle, two objects can actually do the same amount of work. Two objects can actually do the same amount of work, but दोनों का पावर अलग अलग हो सकता है. Are you getting my point? So the one who will do the same amount of work in lesser time will have more power. One who will do the same amount of work in lesser time will have more power. ठीक है, तो पावर का डेफिनेशन आप लोगों ने सबने पढ़ा है. दैट इज व्हाट? रेट ऑफ वर्क डन. ऑलराइट गाइस, not exactly Harshvardhan, but yes. अभी देखिए, now we'll talk about average power. Why do we need to talk about average power? Guys, if you can actually relate this, whenever we were talking about rate of something, first we talked about average and then we talked about instantaneous. क्योंकि यहाँ time पे depend करता है. If you talk about a time interval, we have to talk about the average. कि in a particular time interval, what is the average change? ठीक है, what is the work done that has been done, that has been actually committed, वो होता है average. ठीक है. So what is average power बच्चा लोग जल्दी से बता दो. What is average power? विनीत almost same ही है, ज्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं आएगा. Tell me guys, what is the definition of average power? You'll say total work done divided by the total time taken. So whatever the total work done that has been committed in a time divided by the time taken will be called as the average work done. Now we'll talk about instantaneous. So when this time taken comes to zero, tends to zero, how will you define instantaneous power? So instantaneous power is defined as dW by क्या डिफाइन करते हैं बच्चा लोग? dw by dt. ओके, अच्छा, व्हाट इज dw? इट्स नॉट चेंज ऑफ वर्क डन. यहाँ पे थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Is it a change of work done? No, it's what small work done in small time dt. However, it will give you a feeling that dw is change, but basically change का मतलब ये है, or you can write simply this as de by dt. ये क्या है बच्चा लोग? de by dt. What is e? Energy. तो at a point, let us say I am talking about power of an engine. तो engine क्या करता है बच्चा? Energy देता है. और like let's say if you are doing work on this object, okay, and I'm going to find what is the power that has been given by you, delivered by you on this object. So let us say initial energy was I, final energy of this object becomes F in time delta t. So what is the power delivered by you to this object? So I will write EF minus EI divided by delta t. That is delta E by delta t. Now I will write what is delta E बच्चा? तो why this change has occurred? ये change कहाँ से आया? Why this energy has been changed? So I will write this energy has been given. This change in energy has been done by external force, external agency by doing some work. So you will write this as W by delta T. Similarly, if this delta T tends to 0, I will write this delta E will become a dE and delta T will become dt. And this dE is nothing but what? Change in energy in small time dt. And this has also been done by some work done, small work done dW. In that dt time, let us say the small work done is what? dW. So dW divided by dt is what? Instantaneous work done. Okay, so you can write this is what? dW by dt. However, this is change in energy, but this is not change in work done. This is the work done in small time dt. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? तो ये हुआ इंस्टेंटेनियस पावर का कहानी. अच्छा, यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इंस्टेंटेनियस पावर एज, देखो बच्चा, अगर dw by dt लिखता हूं मैं, तो वर्क डन कैन बी रिटन एज फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट, राइट? तो फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज dw डिवाइडेड बाय dt. सो व्हाट विल यू राइट बच्चा? ऐसा लिखेंगे ना, तो f डॉट ds by dt is nothing but v. So you can write like this. So what is instantaneous power? You can also write instantaneous power is nothing but dot product of force and velocity. What is instantaneous power बच्चा लोग? Dot product of force and velocity. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this slide. बच्चा लोग, please click yes if you have understood this slide. Clear है सबको? समझ में आ रही बात? चलिए, तो नाउ गाइज लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व सम न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन यही पावर के बारे में. बेसिक आपको यही पढ़ना है, ठीक है? अच्छा, व्हाट विल बी यूनिट ऑफ पावर बच्चा? आप लोगों ने पढ़ा हुआ है, बट स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द आंसर फॉर दैट. यूनिट क्या होता है जल्दी से बता दो? वॉट है ना, जूल पर सेकेंड. जूल पर सेकेंड, स्मॉल w ATT और कैपिटल W वॉट, जेम्स वॉट के नाम पे रखा गया. Tell me बच्चा, what is the dimensional formula for this? Dimensional formula for power. Tell me guys, what is the answer? Dimensional formula for power. जल्दी से बता दो. What is the dimensional formula for power? तो आसान है ना यार. Work done per unit time. What is dimensional formula for work done? Divided by time. You'll get the answer. अरे किसी ने आंसर नहीं किया यार. ML2 T inverse 3. That's correct. ML2 T inverse 3. Because ML2 T inverse 2 is the dimensional formula for work done divided by 3. तो T का पावर एक और माइनस में चला जाएगा. तो ML2 T inverse 3 is the dimensional formula for power. Directly ऐसे सवाल पूछे जाएंगे. अच्छा, what are the other units बच्चा लोग? What are the other units for power? Anyone? चलो बच्चे लोग जल्दी से बता दो। हॉर्स पावर, ओके। बोलो बच्चा, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन हॉर्स पावर एंड एसआई यूनिट? जल्दी से बताओ। 1 horse power is equal to how many watt? 1 horse power is equal to how many watts? तो अदर यूनिट्स, ध्यान देखना बच्चा, कभी कभी ऐसे दिया रहेगा आपको, अदर यूनिट्स ऑफ पावर, ठीक है। तो 1 हॉर्स पावर 1 HP इज इक्वल टू क्या है बच्चा लोग? 746 वाट, ठीक है। देयर इज वन मोर यूनिट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज BTU। वो क्या है बच्चा लोग? BTU, वन ब्रिटिश थर्मल यूनिट। पावर का एक और यूनिट है 1 BTU। इज इक्वल टू क्या है बच्चा? तो बेसिकली होता यह है कि आपको याद करने के लिए ऐसे याद रखना, 3.4 रखो, 3.4 BTU, ये बेसिकली थर्मल यूनिट है बट उसको हम लोग वॉट से कनेक्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। 3.4 BTU पर आवर इज इक्वल टू 1 वॉट। थर्मल यूनिट एनर्जी यूनिट है, ओके। सो 3.4 BTU पर आवर इज इक्वल टू 1 वॉट। एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है बच्चा, क्या? कैलोरी। क्या बच्चा? एनर्जी, कैलोरी पर सेकेंड, ऐसा फॉर्म रहेगा। तो 0.24 कैलोरी पर सेकेंड is equal to 1 watt. 0.24 calorie per second is equal to 1 watt. Because calorie is other form of unit, other unit of energy. तो energy per unit time will be power. तो ये फॉर्म आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा, कभी कभी काम आता है, स्पेशली these two. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, I hope you are you have understood this. Now guys, based on whatever the things that we have studied, try to get me an answer for this question. Yes, Vineet, you can do that. There is no any problem with that. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी आंसर कर दो। Vineet has answered. Srinivas has answered. 1 kilowatt motor pumps out water from a well 10 meter deep. Calculate the quantity of water pumped out per second. Per second निकालना है, ठीक है। तो in 1 second, what is the amount of water that will be pumped out? तो बच्चा, if mass m, or if m mass, or let's say कि m kg of water is being pumped out, तो पंप कैसे करेंगे बच्चा? तो यहां मान लो वाटर है, ठीक है, यहां से आपने मान लो पंप किया। So when you are pumping, let's say m mass of water to a height h, so what is the work done? बताओ कितना एनर्जी उसका चेंज करेगा? How much energy you have to give? How much energy do you have to give to the water so that water comes to this position? Minimum कितना देना है? You don't want this water कि यहाँ से दौड़ता हुआ निकले, क्या चाहिए? प्रेशर डिफरेंस से क्रिएट कर लोगे। You have to give कितना एनर्जी बच्चा? mg into h, the change in potential energy, right? You have to just pump it from here to here. So can I say power will be equal to energy given to the water divided by time taken? So what is the energy that must be given to the water if it has to be pumped through height h? So I'll say mgh divided by time t. So what is the power of the motor? Motor will do what? Motor will provide this much of energy. Motor will provide this much of energy. ठीक है, तो power of the pump can be written as कितना दिया बच्चा 1, तो 1 into 10 to the power 3 watt will be equal to m into g is 10, h is 10 divided in how much time? तो 1 second. ठीक है, तो यहां से m का वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा बच्चा? 10. तो in 1 second how much water must be pumped out? So in 1 second 10 kg of water will be pumped out using a motor of power 1 kilowatt. बच्चा लोग please click yes if you have understood this. बच्चा लोग please click yes if you have understood this. क्लियर है सबको? कितना एनर्जी देना पड़ेगा? mgh, तो mgh by time. Okay, let us move on to next question. Guys, this is like common sense question है. Last question जो इसमें है that is like based on electrical power, but rest these things are like elementary level thing, like intermediate things that you should know. Try to solve it. Okay, try to solve it. So none of you have answered. First का आंसर बताओ बच्चा लोग. The blades of a windmill sweep out a circle of area A. If the wind flows at a velocity v perpendicular to the circle, what is the mass of air passing through in time t? What is mass of the air passing through in time t? Mass पहले बताओ क्या होगा? You can consider, yeah, some variables are given to you, right? A is given to you and all those things. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से आंसर कर दो. What is the mass of air passing through in time t? Anyone? Kirtan has answered. Vineet has answered. Solve for bachcha, no problem. Take your time. बेसिक, बिल्कुल बेसिक है बच्चा, बिल्कुल बेसिक है. Guys, if I ask you, tell me what is the volume? What is the volume of wind flowing per second? Tell me what will be the answer. What is the volume of wind flowing per second? Tell me what is the answer. Can I say A into V directly? The volume of wind flowing per second is nothing but area into velocity. If I ask you what is the mass of wind flowing per second, then answer will be rho into A into V. Mass into velocity, sorry, mass into volume is the density into volume is nothing but mass. Now in 1 second this is the mass, so in time ऐसा लिखता हूं मैं, mass of wind, ठीक है, flowing in t second. So in 1 second this is the amount of mass that is being flown. So in t second what will be the answer? Guys, tell me, do you know all the values? Do you know what is the value of rho? Is it given to you? It should be given to you. Do you know what is the area? Yes. Do you know what is the velocity? Yes. You have to convert this into meter per second. Convert this into meter per second. It will be 10 meter per second. Time t दिया है क्या? तो क्या पूछा है? In time t. How much time we have to consider, बच्चा लोग? तो t के फॉर्म में रहने दो, no problem. Okay? Now this is the answer for first question, or A. Let us go to B. What is the kinetic energy of the air? Tell me बच्चा, what is the kinetic energy of the air? तो क्या लिखोगे? Half into rho into A into V square, that is V cube. No problem. This is the kinetic energy. Now assume that the windmill converts 25% of the wind's energy into electrical energy. क्या कर रहा है? ध्यान से देखो. Assume that the windmill converts 25% of the wind energy into electrical energy. This is the wind energy available, बच्चा लोग. Because this is the kinetic energy of air striking the blades of the windmill. So wind energy is nothing but this one. So 25% of this will be converted into electrical energy. We have to find what is the electrical power produced. That means electrical power produced will be equal to electrical energy divided by time, right? So what is the electrical energy that has been generated in time t? So 25% of kinetic energy in time t, right? So what is the 25%? So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into rho into A into V cube into t divided by t. So t से t cancel. So answer क्या मिला? 1 by 8 into rho into AV cube. Now put all the values and get the answer. बच्चा लोग क्लियर है तो क्लिक यस. बच्चा लोग समझ में आया क्या? 4.5 किलोवाट is the correct answer. No problem. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this. 4.5 kilowatt is the correct answer. That is correct. Kirtan, Vinayaka, correct hai. Guys, do you have any doubt in this one? क्या कोई डाउट है आपको? यस मोहम्मद रेयान, करेक्ट हो रहा है. इजी था ना, बस इजी मैथ था. वेरी गुड. चलो बच्चा, तो इसका आंसर कर दो. One coolie takes 1 minute to raise a box through height of 2 meters. Another one takes 30 seconds for the same job and does the same amount of work. Which one of the two has greater power? बोलो चलो. Which one of them has the greater power? If this is A, coolie A, and this is coolie B, बोलो बच्चा लोग, which one of them has greater power? Which one of them uses greater energy? Both of them use same energy. Both of them use same energy, but coolie A actually, sorry, coolie B uses the same energy in small time, but coolie A uses the same energy in large time. तो ये एक 1 minute ले रहा है, ये कितना ले रहा है? 30 seconds. So basically power of coolie B is twice the power of coolie A. ठीक है कीर्तन, ठीक है, ओके। कीर्तन कह रहा है थैंक्स टू दिस क्वेश्चन विच टॉट मी द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कुली। ऑलराइट गाइस, लेट अस नाउ मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ये कल करना, मैं थोड़ा छोटा क्वेश्चन देखता हूँ बिकॉज टाइम कम है, 2 मिनट ही बचा हुआ है। इसका आंसर कर दो बच्चा। A truck of mass 30,000 kg moves up an inclined plane of slope 1 in 100 at a speed of 30 km per hour. The power of the truck is given by. So what will be the power of truck if the truck of mass something moves up an inclined plane of slope 1 in 100 at a speed of 30 km per hour? विनीत वही तो चीज है। विनीत is asking sir slope 1 in 100 का मीनिंग क्या है? स्लोप 1 in 100 का मीनिंग है that for 100 unit of base, for 100 unit of horizontal length, the vertical length is 1 unit. So for 100 unit of horizontal length, the vertical unit is 1 unit. That means tan theta is given to you as 1 by 100. ठीक है, तो अगर स्लोप दिया है आपको that is nothing but tan theta, तो in this case tan theta is given by 1 by 100. This is one of the way to give you the value of tan theta. All right, चलिए बोलो बच्चा, what is the power of the truck? कैसे निकालोगे? तो I will write it is moving with a constant speed, right? आराम से मूव कर रहा है। बोलो बच्चा, what will be the power of the truck? What will be the power of the truck? Can I say the change in kinetic energy is 0? At the bottom of the incline, kinetic energy is same. At the top of the incline, kinetic energy is same. So kinetic energy is like change in kinetic energy is 0. So how much energy that the truck must give himself, or the engine of the truck must give himself, so that it will move up an incline? So I will write the truck or the engine of the truck has to overcome the energy or work done by gravity, right? So I will write power of the truck will be equal to energy given to overcome the work done by mg divided by time taken. करेक्ट है ना? डिवाइडेड बाय क्या लिखेंगे बच्चा लोग? टाइम टेकन। सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला दैट वी नीड टू यूज। करेक्ट है? बट बच्चा करना क्या चाहिए मुझे? देखो, कैन आई से एवरी एट ईच एंड एवरी इंस्टेंट वर्क डन विल बी सेम? कैन आई से दैट बच्चा? बिकॉज व्हेन ट्रक इज गोइंग टू मूव, आप बोलो सॉल्व कैसे करो? आप पहले आप खुद दिमाग लगाओ, फिर मैं आपको आंसर बताऊंगा, बिकॉज आई नीड यू टू commit some mistake. I know I am going थोड़ा सा fast, but guys you first solve it. पहले आप solve कर लो, फिर बताता हूँ मैं। It's 25 kilowatt. Answers according to Kirtan Akshay is 25 kilowatt. Okay, देखते हैं बच्चा। $2.5. Are you sure? Yes, you can do that. Yeah. Tan theta is 1 by 100, so you can assume theta is very small, so tan theta will be approximately equal to sin theta. देखो बच्चा, सॉल्व करके दिखाता हूं बच्चा। When this truck will go up, Tell me what is the force that will act on it? Can I say friction will act in downward direction? mg sin theta will act in downward direction like this, right? But so what should be the value of friction here? Bolo. What should be the value of friction here? जल्दी से बता दो फटाफट. What should be the value of friction here? It is very important बच्चा. If you don't get this answer, तब तो फिर तुक्केबाजी चलेगी आपकी. अरे if the truck is moving with a constant speed, that means net force must be 0. So if mg sin theta is acting downward, F is acting upward, this F must be equal to mg sin theta ना. कहानी खत्म रे. Now, which force is responsible for power? Which force is responsible for this energy to the truck? कौन सा power, कौन सा force energy देगा? So I will say this is the responsible force for अरे बात समझ में आ रहा है क्या? हाँ करेक्ट का इंजन रही, ठीक है ना. पावर तो वही देगा, बट अगर ये फोर्स ही नहीं रहा तो पावर का करके ऊपर कैसे उठेगा यार? हाउ द ट्रक विल गो अप. ठीक है. सो टेल मी बच्चा, इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाट इज द इंस्टेंटेनियस पावर, व्हाट विल यू राइट? यू विल राइट है ना. सो व्हाट इज द फोर्स? What is the velocity? What is the angle between F and this theta? What is the angle between F and this V? 0. So directly mg sin theta into V. तो m कितना है बच्चा लोग? 30,000, right? 10 है ना? 30 kilometer per hour. It's 30 or 36. You have to convert that. If it is 30, then you have to convert it. If it is 30, then you have to convert it. तो क्या लिखेंगे? Convert करो, solve करो, आए मिलेगा 25 किलोवाट. All right, guys. I think it should be 25 kilowatt, यार. So, guys, I think you have understood it. Guys, do you have any doubt in this question? अच्छा, velocity is 8.6, no problem. इसको solve करो ना, ऐसे solve करो, देखो क्या होगा. This will become 6, this will become 5, है ना? ऐसे इस तरीके से 5, 5, 25 into ये cancel हो जाएगा, ये cancel हो जाएगा. तो 25 into 10 to the power 3, that is 25 kilowatt. That's it. So thank you guys. Thank you for attending the class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a nice day. Bye guys. Take care. Enjoy money.